If we want to scan a document on Redmi 15, in that case we need to download an app that allows us to scan documents. And we're gonna go to the Play Store, and one of the best apps to actually use for scanning documents is Files app by Google, which for some reason is actually not implemented as one of the pre-installed apps. And this is the app that I'm talking about. This is actually a file manager, but it includes a feature that allows us to scan documents. So once you install the app and open it, then over here on the right side you should be able to find this document icon. We can tap on it in order to open the camera, and we even have the auto capture option. So let me quickly demonstrate. I'm gonna place my document over here, and as you can see we have this outline. Let me actually move it up a little bit so you can see it. And we don't even have to press the shutter button, we just have to keep holding steady on our document, and eventually it should be captured, hopefully. Let's see if we can actually make it better. There we go. And of course, if you are impatient, then you can just press the shutter button. There we go. And this is our document. Of course, it can work better. My hands are actually quite shaky today, so it doesn't look that well. But we have also cropping tools and some other options over here that you can use in order to fix imperfections. And yeah, then you can press done over here in the top right corner in order to save your document. And there it is. It is also saved in PDF format, so you should be able to find it later on in the documents over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.